We'll guide you through how to make pop effect in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Drag the media clip onto the timeline to create a new sequence. Once the clip is ready, press T on your keyboard to activate the Type tool so you can add text. Click on the program monitor, then type your text according to your needs, for example similar to the video. After entering the text, you can start applying the pop effect animation. Go to the Effects panel, which contains various effects that can be applied to your layers. In the search bar, type Transform to quickly locate the effect. When the Transform effect appears in the results, drag it onto the text layer in the timeline to apply it. After that, go to the Effect Controls panel to adjust the settings. Select the Transform section in the Effect Controls panel so you can access its parameters. Move both anchor points to the center of the text to ensure the scaling animation expands evenly from the middle. Next, change the scale value in the Transform section. For example, set it to 70 to make the text smaller at the starting point. Click the toggle animation icon in the Scale section to create a keyframe. Then move forward 3 frames by pressing the right arrow key on your keyboard and change the scale value to 120 to create a quick overshoot effect. Move forward 3 frames again by pressing the right arrow key and change the scale value to 100 so the text returns to its normal size. This sequence creates a smooth pop-up animation. To enhance the effect, disable Use Composition Shutter Angle and then change the shutter angle value. For example, set it to 360 to add motion blur and make the animation feel more dynamic. Press Enter on the keyboard or click the play button in the program monitor to preview the pop-up effect and check the result. Right-click on the Transform section and select Save Preset. Enter a name according to your preference, then click OK. Go to the Effects panel, open the Presets folder, and you can reuse the pop effect preset on other text layers.